see if I can catch him. Oh no. Gone.
How's it going, dude? You got the 20 or the 21?
20.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Me too.
Sick. Yeah, I saw you whip by.
Yeah.
I was like, yo. Still, how long have you had it?
It's going on like a year and a half now.
Nice.
Yeah.
I've had for like 6 months about.
Nice.
Awesome.
Hell yeah, dude.
That's hella quiet though.
You got all the Tecmo stuff going on here.
Yeah,
Mine's all scratched
like
up.
I saw the guy that was selling these.
Oh yeah. Are you on the Facebook group?
What's that?
You're on the Facebook group?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Me too.
Yeah. Do these work well?
Yeah, they're awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, for being small and shit, you know.
Yo, where you going?
I'm just riding.
Cool. I'm going to a car meet in Lakewood.
That sounds tight. I'll go with
Slush.
you. Wow, what's your number? Yeah, we gotta exchange some numbers here. I was waiting to see another one while I was riding.
Yeah.
I saw one in like 5 Points area or something.
I saw one where I bought it up in Montana.
Oh yeah.
But none around here.
Bluetooth going? Oh yeah, you do. Alright. Yeah, if you want to do that, and I'll follow you to the meet if you want. So that sounds tight if I'm allowed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm just headed that way. There's a bunch of guys from CU going that way.
Okay, that's tight.
You say you're gonna call or something?
Yeah, I need it. Oh, it forwarded me to a messaging system, to your voicemail or whatever. How many miles you got on there?
I've got 2,300 right now.
Okay, I'm at like 65 or something.
Nice. Oh, I'm actually on airplane mode because my shit's low.
Oh,
so I'm
shit.
just using the directions, but if you want to come,
yeah, that's chill.
where you want to go.
What's the GPS?
22 minutes, or I have it wrong. You can look it up too if you want to put the directions on yours.
Yeah, I'm not used to this phone. This thing's new. Hold on. Yeah. Alright, I'll see you there, man.
Sounds good.
Well, I'll see you on the way there too, but, you know. got the stock exhaust for like a year.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's crazy how much louder it is after you get something else.
Yeah, seeing you on the same bike is weird.
Yeah, it's crazy. I wave to the Harley. Tricycles?
My directions are weird.
What up?
My directions are kind of weird.
Oh, okay. You're good.
I take the long way.
I'm just chilling anyway.
Yeah.
Alright, that's cool. Yeah, for sure. What's up?
You can park it anywhere.
Okay, yeah.